Okay, this is the elevator at the professional building in Weymouth. And it looks like it has been modded recently with PTO. Door rumbles a lot. Just your basic office building elevator. I'm not too sure if the cab is original or not. Here are the fixtures, and there's the phone. 115 feet per minute, 2,500 pounds. Interesting speed there. Let's take it up to 4 and listen to the motor. Oh, that is an epic motor. Let's go back down to 1. This is when I release the button. I like that. And here we are. And there it goes. As fast as it came. And that'll be it.